Okay, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog. At welcome back to my channel, and you are watching my YouTube channel, features lifestyle, travels, food, and tech, and also unboxing. We are going to unbox. Finally, we have a Vivo smartphone this month of August. At this is the Vivo Y100. Okay daw to kasi it's a budget-friendly smartphone, perfect for students. Also, maganda na to for gaming. So, we are going to explore the beauty of the Vivo Y100. Ayan. So, before I unbox this, let me discuss to you the tech specs of this awesome smartphone from Vivo Philippines. Okay, bago tayo mag-unbox, no, let me discuss to you the tech specs of the Vivo Y100. Finally, we have a Vivo smartphone na ating mabubuting-ting, no. Alright, for the tech specs, ito yung kanyang display. Meron siyang 6.67 inches na AMOLED display. Ang kanyang resolution is 2400 by 1080. Meron siyang capacitive multi-touch screen feature. At meron siyang up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Uy, maganda nga ito pang gaming. Meron siyang 107% color saturation, 394 ppi for the pixel density, E4 light emitting material. Ano nga itong E4 light emitting material sa kanyang display? At meron siyang 1,800 nits na local peak brightness and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. At meron siyang in-display optical fingerprint sensor. Ang kanyang fingerprint sensor nasa screen, ha. At meron siyang fluorite AG technology for wear, scratch, and fingerprint resistance. Uy, maganda yung kanyang screen. Meron siyang parang fluorite AG technology. So, hindi siya pwedeng magagasgasa ng basta-basta. Matibay siya. At, fingerprint resistance. Kailangan natin matest yan. For the body, no, meron siyang feature na natawag na photochromatic o chromatic body design. Yung color green, yung breeze green na body, meron siyang color changing fluorite AG glass feature at meron siyang UV light UV light shifts vibrant color green in 3 seconds. So para pag naarawan daw yung phone, nagbabago daw yung body color ng breeze green. At isa naman is crystal black na meron 3D crystal texture. Check natin to. Ano bang nakuha nating color, no? Wala sa box. Ano ba pag na-open natin? For the CPU, gumagamit siya ng Snapdragon 685. This is an octa-core. At meron siyang 6nm processes. For the OS, gumagamit siya ng FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14. For the memory, meron siyang 8GB of RAM at very interesting, no, at plus expandable RAM up to 8GB. So total niya 16, no. Kung i-tinker mo yung expandable extra 8GB of RAM at meron siyang 256GB of storage plus this is expandable up to 1TB space, no. So ibig sabihin nun, meron siyang micro SD slot na extra. Check natin yan mamaya. For the camera ni Vivo Y100, for the rear camera, this is a dual camera na mayroong 50 megapixel na may 1.8 aperture. This is the HD main camera. For the second camera niya, it's a 2 megapixel, 2.4 aperture. Ito yung kanyang bokeh camera. At meron siyang LED flash. At ang features ng rear camera, meron siyang night mode, portrait mode, photo, may video, high resolution, panoramic, document, slow-mo, time-lapse. May Pro version siya, dual view at live photo. At yung video niya can shoot up to 1080p, 30 fps. So wala siyang 4K video. For the front camera na Vivo Y100, no, front camera niya is 8 megapixel na meron 2.0 aperture. This is their portrait camera niya. Ang video, ang photo mode, ang features ng front camera is meron siyang night mode, portrait, photo, video, and live photo. Medyo konti lang siya, no? At ang kanyang video recording ng front camera is 1080p 30 fps. So wala din siyang 4K for the front camera. For the battery specs, very interesting yung battery specs ng Vivo Y100. Meron siyang 5,000 milliampere of battery, 80 watts flash charge, charging power, 4-year battery health, 4-year battery health na kanilang guarantee, no? At meron siyang 16.6 hours for YouTube streaming pag ginamit mo yung battery in full charge. At meron siyang feature na 80% charge in half an hour. At meron siyang, I forgot to mention kanina, no? 80 watts flash charging power, na-mention ko na ba yung kanina? So 80 watts yung kanyang flash charge feature. At meron siya tinatawag na Smart Charging Engine 2.0 for overnight charging, protection, and temp control. Yun yung maganda, no? Very smart na yung smartphone na kamukha ni Vivo Y100 na meron siyang power monitoring, no? Kung puno na ba yung battery niya, tsaka meron siyang for charging protection, tsaka temperature control na rin din. Meron siya tinatawag na 24-dimension security protection for security protection and worry-free ultra-fast. Kasi 80 watts, medyo mabilis yung charging nito. So, kailangan careful yung phone, kailangan ma-monitor. Mag full charge na, stop charging na siya. Siguro, ganun ata yung technology na pinipicture ni Vivo. For the other specs, the Vivo Y100, this is a 4G ready smartphone. This is 4G, At meron siyang 1 nano SIM, tsaka 1 nano SIM na slot. So, isabihin dito, no, yung kahit dual SIM siya, yung isa, pag nilagyan mo ng memory card, micro SD card, di mo na magamit yung isang nano SIM. So, ang Wi-Fi feature niya is 2.4 GHz at saka 5 GHz. Meron siyang Bluetooth 5, USB 2.0, and this is a USB Type-C charging, tsaka yung ear jack niya sa USB Type-C. OTG ready na rin din siya, NFC ready na rin din siya. Meron siyang dual stereo speaker, 300% audio booster, napakalakas naman ang audio nito. At meron siyang IP5X and IPX4 for dust and water resistant. So, madami siyang features dito sa Vivo Y100. For the body color, meron siyang crystal black at saka breeze green. Very interesting yung breeze green kasi nagbabago yung kulay niya pag nalagyan daw ng UV light sa araw, for example. At ang kanyang SRP, no, there's two kinds of SRP. Isang 10,999. So yung range na yun is 8GB and 128GB of storage. Yung 11,999, that's the 8GB of RAM at 256GB of storage. I highly suggest get the 256 kasi 1,000 lang diferensya para makuha niya yung full feature ng smartphone na ito. Alright? Alright, so na-discuss ko na yung tech specs and now, let's unbox and use it for gaming. Itong phone na to ni Vivo Y100. Okay? Let's do this. Alright, so here's the Vivo Y100 smartphone from Vivo Philippines. So let's check it out, yo. So sabi dito, it's yung 80 watts of flash charge, 5,000 milliampere battery, 120 Hz refresh rate, AMOLED display, extended RAM, large storage, saka dual stereo speaker. So I got the 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, saka yung yung breeze green na color, doon pala nakalagay naman pala doon yung So unbox na natin to para makita nyo na. And here we go. So actually medyo late na rin din tayo for featuring this kasi di tayo first dibs. At ito na, mapapakita natin sa inyo yung ganda ng Vivo smartphone. Wow, ganda ng niya. So before I batingting here let me check the inside the box. So meron ditong syempre mga manuals, meron siya ditong jelly case. Ayan, jelly case. Meron siyang USB Type-C cable at saka yung 80 watts na flash charge the charging brick. So wala akong nakitang tawag dito yung kanyang pin. So I guess yung huling humiram nito hindi na isaoli yung pin. Ito pala. Sorry. Pinagbintangan ko tuloy yung huling gumamit. So ito yung yung pin niya. So kasama din siya. So mamaya gamitin natin to para ma-check natin yung ng phone, yung feature niya. So this is the phone, breeze green, super ganda ng kulay niya. Para siyang tiles yung itsura niya. Parang tiles sa isang social na Chinese restaurant. Yan ang kanyang feature. So there's two cameras here. I guess the other one is a sensor for focusing. At meron siyang LED flash here. And so for the front camera, ito siya, pinhole siya sa gitna. Top corner, mid corner. So sa taas is there's a mini microphone. I think this is the microphone. May tuldok eh. Microphone niya for calls or for recording. Sa side nito, wow, napakalinis yung left side niya. So yung kanyang tray is in here. Ito yung SIM tray, USB Type-C port, speaker. Ayan, I guess baka to speaker din to. At sa right side is the power button tsaka yung volume niya. So ayun. So check natin yung ano, yung SIM tray niya. So para maano tayo, ma-orient tayo. Ano ba yung style nito, no? Ayun. Yun na nga. So this one is a dual nano SIM. So yung isang part, pag ilagyan mo ng micro SD card, hindi na siya gagana. So you have to choose dual SIM or expand to 1 terabyte. So balikan natin to para magamit na rin din natin. So fire up na natin to at let's set it up para magamit na natin. Sana may charge siya. And there's the Vivo logo. Ayan, very excited ako to try this, no, lalo na for gaming. Kasi ang lakas ng ano ng mga mid-range phones, lalo kung Vivo, no. Or this is a 10,999. And this is a 256 pala, so 11,999. So mas lower siya. Usually ibang mid-range siya sa 15,000. Pero ito, it's a good specs for a phone, lalo na color changing pa, no. At marami siyang feature for the screen, may protection siya, dust and water proof resistance na rin din siya. So let's set this phone up. Kita nyo ba? Paano nyo nakikita yung text? Medyo pangit yung ilaw ko. Malabo na yung ilaw ko dito. No? So click natin United States. For the language, Philippines, set your location. Siyempre Philippines tayo. So next. Okay, checkin lang natin to. Next. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. So, teka lang. Connect muna ako sa Wi-Fi. Wait lang. And we're still setting up the phone, no? So, ito na. Getting your phone ready. Nalagay na natin yung aking Wi-Fi network. So, wait natin to. Super ganda ng phone, no? Super kinis ng dating niya. Ayan. So, getting ready. Antayin natin. Medyo matagal, medyo mahaba siya. For setting up, ganun talaga pagka magandang mid-range phones. Ayan. So, maybe I'll start with the Call of Duty game. Maglaro tayo ng Call of Duty using this phone. Para masaya, no? Kasi lang yung aking master na gaming lang sa smartphone talaga eh. Dati nagagawa-gawa ako ng mga test like mga Mobile Legends. Medyo nakakapagod na eh. If I have a time, I'll be installing some games, no. Usually Fortnite yung nilalaro ko, pero sa mga Fortnite kasi hindi lahat supported eh. So, copy absent data, let's click don't copy. Tika na ako dun. So, antayin natin ito mag-set up. So, sa mga nakabili na ng Vivo Y100, comment down below at ano bang review ninyo. Mag-share kayo ng review, mag-usap tayo. Let's collaborate for this Vivo Y100 smartphone from Vivo Philippines. So, antayin natin to. Medyo matagal yung ano niya, no, checking. So, ito na, this is the part na lalagay ko ni aking Google. So, wait lang. Para makapag-install tayo ng apps eh, no? So, wait lang. So, ito na, lagay ko ng aking Google username. So, backup mode, hindi tayo nagba-backup mode sa phone kasi okay lang. Wala na tayong ano. So, ito na yung unlocking method. No? So, first, gumawa muna tayo ng screen lock. So, ito yung mga pins eh. No? So, 4 or 6-digit pin. So, mag-enroll muna ako. Wait lang Alright, nakapag-enroll na ako ng 4 pin. So, dito tayo sa fingerprint na. Next natin. So, syempre, pin again. Wait lang. And here we go. So, set up natin yung ating fingerprint, no? So, start enrollment. Check natin to. Agree. And ito na yung scanning, no? So, ito yung scanner natin sa screen. So, ano lang natin to. Enroll natin yung ating right thumbprint. Kasi ito yung pinang-i-scan ko talaga. Habang hawak ko yung phone ko sa kaliwang kamay ko, no? Ayan, wait lang. Okay. Ayaw mag-scan. Ayan. Ayun, okay na. Fingerprint added. Let's click OK. So, facial recognition nila yung next natin, no? So, syempre, password ulit tayo. Wait lang. Okay, here we go. Enroll na tayo ng face. Click natin to, I agree. And here's my face. Kapit natin. 20% pa lang. 40. Medyo mabagal yung scanning niya. 60. Nangyari. Okay na. Re-register, registration timeout. So, okay, ulitin natin. Ayun, okay na. So, kasi gawa kasi ng ilaw ko medyo madilim So, resume and continue. So, continue setup. And the phone is now, tawag dito. Setting up na. Google Assistant na naman. Click natin to para hindi na tayo maistorbo. Agree. Kailangan natin idaanan talaga. Kasi pag di mo dinaanan tong Google Assistant na yan, na agree, lalabas at lalabas yun sa phone mo. So, anything else? No thanks. Getting ready your phone. So, app permission. So, okay lang. Next natin yan. At from Vivo, install daw. So, skip natin to kasi ayoko mag-install ng ibang apps. So, ito yung gusto ko, sa phone na to, pinapapili ka kung gesture ka or 3 buttons. Since I'm 3 button guy, so I'll choose the 3 button. Gusto ko kasi may buttons Get started, FunTouch OS. Ayun na, lumabas na yung button sa baba. Ayan, ang ganda ng kanyang wallpaper. So, very green match na match dun sa body ng Vivo Y100 series. Y100 lang pala, hindi pala siya series. So, clear natin to. And let's wait for it. Actually, nag-set up na pala. So, nag-download na lang siya ng mga updates na lang. So, let's check the screen. So, okay naman. Very responsive. It's okay. Okay naman siya. And, ayan. So, I guess, mag-install tayo ng apps mamaya. So, okay. Meron siyang Google Play. So, walang problema. So, let's go to the settings. Tingnan na natin to para makita natin. About the phone. So, 8 GB of RAM plus 8 GB. So, 16. So, naka-automatic na siya. Tama ba? Or kailangan ko pa siyang i-tinker pa, I guess so. Baka naka-ano na to. Up to, okay. So, okay na. Parang naka-default na ata siya, Hindi ko alam kung paano siya bubuting-tingin, Okay, wait lang. System navigation. Ano ba meron dito? Yung mga buttons to. Ito yung mga buttons. Okay. So, let's check the usually, tayo sa camera na tayo, Mabilis naman siya. Mabilis naman. Let's check the camera. So, yung camera niya is boom. So, check lang natin ito daming permission na. So, okay, wala siyang wide angle. So, it's 1x and 2x lang siya. That's the limitation of this phone. Okay. May sound pa siyang ganun, So, hanggang 10x siya for the video, for the photo. Pag video, 1x and 2x lang. So, I think the zoom is hanggang 10x lang din siya. So, meron siyang portrait mode for the rear camera, night mode for the rear. Ano pa ba? Sa more, ito na yung mga 50 megapixel na high-res photography niya. And what else? Panoramic documents, pro version, para matinker may camera na pro level. Time-lapse, slow-mo, dual video, at live photo siya. So, for the front camera, so naka-video mode tayo. Let's click it to the photo. Mabilis yung niya. In fairness, mabilis yung kanyang front camera. At portrait. Dahil siguro maganda yung ilaw ko. Pero hindi, nagbabounce na lang yung ilaw So, agree. Nagbabounce na lang yung ilaw Ayun siya. Very nice. Very okay na rin din for the front camera. Let's test the rear camera. At let's go to photo and rear. At meron tayong model. Si Bulma na naman. Si Bulma ang ating model. So, this is the 1X. And this is the 2X. Ang cute! Grabe, kakita model ko. So, this is the 1X. Very okay naman siya. Nakikita nyo ba? Ayan. Okay naman siya. Malinaw. And this is a 2X. Super okay rin din siya. Ayan. Maayos naman yung ano niya. Kasi maganda yung ilaw ko dito eh, kaya ganun yung style niya eh. Let's try the portrait mode. I think pag portrait mode, you can tinker the aperture, no? So, sabi aperture nito. I guess ito beauty. Yung may letter F. Yung may letter F na ano, that's the aperture. So, hindi. Parang, ito meron na nga siya. So, lagay natin sa strong para yung background niya is mag-bokeh. Try natin. Ano kaya mangyayari? Ayun, nag-bokeh nga siya, oh. Nag-bokeh nga yung background. Nag-bokeh siya. Yun yung makita, ano. Ba't naka-plus yung aking, ano, yung nag-automatic yung aking rear camera ng phone na to. So, ayan. So, I guess nakikita nyo. Sana nakikita nyo, no? And what else? For video mode, wala siyang 4K. So, ito yung settings niya for the rear camera. 1080p. Meron siyang 60 FPS for the... hindi, pag nag 60 FPS ka, napupunta siya sa 720. Okay, so I guess suggest ko 1080p na lang kayo at 30 FPS. Siguro kung mag-slow motion kayo sa editing, no, go to 60 FPS. Pero yun nga lang, 720. Medyo mag-suffer yung quality niya. For the front camera naman, check natin. So wala siyang settings for the more settings. May watermark din siya. Wala siyang settings for the front camera. So default yung front camera ng 1080p 30 fps. So that's it for the camera. Alright, so I guess that's it for our unboxing. Napakaganda nitong let's just testing pala natin yung yung fingerprint pala, no. So for the fingerprint, ayun, nakita yung mukha ko eh. Wait lang, takip ako. Fingerprint. Uy, mabilis. Isa pa. Mabilis. Pagka facial naman, so kailangan ko mag-swipe up. So nakita na yung mukha ko eh. Scanning my face. Okay. Swipe na lang. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-input ng code kasi nakita ka naman nung front camera ni Vivo Y100. Okay siya, parang silang green, nung galing, parang yung color niya, match na match. Alright, I'll end now my unboxing for the Vivo Y100. So let's testingin natin ito for gaming na, para makapag-review tayo ng matindi. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much, Vivo Philippines, for this test unit for our content creation. All right.